Today, we will practice useful English for a daily morning routine.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want natural, everyday English.
We will learn phrases for waking up, getting ready, breakfast, and leaving home.
The English will be slow, clear, and easy to repeat.
Let's practice like we are spending a real morning together.
Let's enjoy daily morning English together. Good morning. It's time to wake up.
Good morning. I'm still sleepy.
How do I say "mada nemui" in English? Let's break it down. It's like saying "I'm still sleepy" or "I'm still tired." You can say "I'm still sleepy" or "I'm still tired." Would you like to practice that?
You can say, I'm still sleepy.
I'm still sleepy.
Good. That is a very natural morning phrase.
What time is it now?
It's 7 o'clock.
We should get up now.
Yes. Let's start the day.
I want 5 more minutes.
That sounds very real.
I'm going to wash my face.
Good idea. I'll brush my teeth.
How do I say "顔を洗う" in English?
You can say, wash my face.
I'm going to wash my face.
Perfect. It is simple and useful.
How about 歯を磨く?
You can say, brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth every morning.
Excellent. That sounds natural.
I feel more awake now.
Me too. Morning routines help.
What should we have for breakfast?
Let's make toast and eggs.
That sounds easy.
You can say, I'll make breakfast.
I'll make breakfast.
Good. Make breakfast is very common.
Can you make coffee?
Sure. I'll make coffee.
The kitchen smells nice.
Fresh coffee always helps.
Breakfast is ready.
Great. Let's eat. This toast is good.
Thank you. The eggs are ready too.
How do I say itadakimasu in English?
There is no exact phrase, but you can say, "Let's eat."
Let's eat.
Good. It sounds natural before a meal.
Do you want more coffee?
Yes, please. Just a little.
We should check today's schedule.
Right. I have a meeting at 10.
Then, we should not be late.
Exactly. Let's hurry a little. What should I wear today?
It looks a little cool outside.
I'll wear a light jacket.
That sounds good.
How do I say 着替える in English?
You can say, get dressed.
I need to get dressed.
Perfect. It is a very useful phrase.
Does this look okay?
Yes, it looks nice.
Thanks. I'm almost ready.
Me too. I just need my bag. Let's check the weather.
Good idea. Is it going to rain?
The forecast says it might rain in the afternoon.
How do I say 雨が降るかも in English?
You can say, it might rain.
It might rain.
Good. Might means maybe.
Should I bring an umbrella?
Yes, you should bring an umbrella.
I'll put one in my bag.
That is a smart idea.
Now I feel prepared. I need to pack my bag.
Don't forget your phone and wallet.
Right. Phone, wallet, and keys.
You can say, don't forget your keys.
Don't forget your keys.
Good. That is useful every morning.
Where are my keys?
They are on the table.
Thank you. I almost forgot them.
That happens often in the morning.
I also need my notebook.
Now your bag is ready. What time do we need to leave?
We should leave by 8.
It's already 7:45.
Oh, we should hurry.
How do I say "isoide" in English?
You can say, hurry up.
Hurry up.
Good. But say it gently.
Okay, let's hurry a little.
That sounds softer.
We still have time.
Good. Let's stay calm. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's turn off the lights.
Good idea. I'll lock the door.
How do I say kagi o kakeru in English?
You can say, lock the door.
Please lock the door.
Sure, the door is locked.
Do we have everything?
Phone, wallet, keys, and umbrella.
Perfect. Let's go.
Let's have a good day.
The morning air feels nice.
Yes, it feels fresh.
I like quiet mornings.
Me too. It helps me start the day.
How do I say いい一日を in English?
You can say, have a good day.
Have a good day.
Good. It is friendly and common.
Thanks. You too.
Perfect response.
Morning English is really useful.
Yes, small phrases can make daily life easier. Let's review the most useful morning phrases.
Sure. I'm ready.
I'm still sleepy.
I'm still sleepy.
I'm going to wash my face.
I'm going to wash my face.
I'll make breakfast.
I'll make breakfast.
I need to get dressed.
I need to get dressed.
It might rain.
It might rain.
Don't forget your keys.
Don't forget your keys.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thank you for joining our daily morning English lesson.
We practiced waking up, breakfast, weather, and leaving home.
These phrases are useful almost every day.
Please repeat them during your real morning routine.
Slow practice builds confidence.
Small daily phrases can make English feel natural.
Let's enjoy English, little by little.
Thank you for watching.
Have a good day.
See you in the next lesson.